Good morning and welcome to a coffee vlog. Today we're going to make the strawberry frappe. Strawberry frappes are amazing, especially in the summer and on rainy days. Today's a rainy day. I'm going to make it, see if it brightens our day up. So let's get to it. Okay, so starting with the ingredients. I've got some strawberries. I'm going to throw some fresh strawberries in this one. I've got my frappe powder, bought from Amazon. You just type in the search on Google frappe powder, you get loads of different people selling that. I've got some strawberry sauce, I've got my milk, ice, I've got my cup ready, and of course I've got a blender. So this one's a Tefal blender, it's called Blend Force. See that there? Yeah, just basically one from Tesco's. And of course I've got my creamer as well. These are widely available online as well. You just fill it with cream, gas it, give it a shake, it's ready to go. Right, let's get this frappe started. I'm going to start with the ice. Pour in my ice. I'm going to pour in my frappe powder. There. I'm going to put fresh strawberries in this time. Chuck them in there. As I always say with ice, we'll take a look at that. I don't buy ice that's too big or too small. I try to get kind of this, I don't know whether you can see the size of the ice there. That's something that your blender really likes to chop up. If you get it's too big, then it's really going to struggle. If the pieces are too small, then obviously it's going to chop too fast and be too thin. Okay, so we're going to go with the milk. I go for around about this much, so this is my glass. There you go. It's not quite half. And of course the all important strawberry sauce. Milk wise, you can buy oat milk if you prefer, almond milk, coconut milk, whatever you think goes well with strawberry. Just to bling it up a little bit. There we go. So here we go. We've got milk, we've got frappe powder, we've got ice, we've got fresh strawberries, and we've got strawberry sauce. Put the lid on. Okay. So for this blend I'm going to go on setting number 1 for a little bit. I think that setting number 1 it's not too fast, so it manages to catch all those nice big lumps of ice and start chopping them down. And then we're going to finish off with a number 2. And then the frappe should be ready. Let's go for it. It would be helpful if I switched it on first. Bear with me. There we go. Electricity is always good. There we go, all ready. So you may have noticed the sound that the blender makes when it starts chopping the larger pieces of ice. And when you stop to hear that, when that larger kind of chopping noise stops, then you know that you're getting really close. And then I just give it a little bit more of a blend just to make sure that we're getting the nice thickness there and consistency that we want. I'm going to dress the glass now, so I'm just going to take the lid off and the straw. I don't actually need that bit. Here we go. Nice zigzag pattern. There we are. Now I'll get the mix. What a nice consistency that is. That's perfect. That's really good. I've left some space for my cream. I'm just going to give it a little shake. Just to flatten it off at the top there. There we go. Going for the cream topping now. I'll get some strawberry sauce and just dress the top. Okay, and now for my toppings. Okay, nice pink strawberry jammy dodger going in there. Okay, I've also got a strawberry, fresh strawberry. What I can see I've done, because my glass is quite thick, I've just cut a wedge out. So I'm going to get that in there. And then a straw. We're going to go for the straw on the strawberry side. Just slide that in. Amazing. And there you go. Really easy, really quick, really fast strawberry frappe at home. Beautiful guided tour. Amazing strawberry frappe. Easy to make at home. So as always, going to go in for the taste test. Really good. Yeah, perfect. So I think that makes a massive difference with this frappe is the fact that we put fresh strawberries in, so you're really getting that fresh, nice strawberry flavour inside that instead of just the strawberry sauce. And yeah, amazing. Let me know if you're going to have a go at this at home. Give us a like, subscribe if you want to see some more, and send a comment. Let me know how you got on with your strawberry frappe.